Abdullah dough kneader 3.5 kg AE900A being checked for Daraz order on 21st December 2023. This is the shipping label. It has a plastic blade, a metal blade, and a measuring flask. The machine is okay from all the sides. नीचे से दिखाओ. It is okay from the bottom also. There are no damages, and now we'll start the machine. It easily kneads dough within 3 to 5 minutes, and it is the best dough kneader available in Pakistan. Genuine Abdullah dough kneader. Maximum capacity 3.5 kg. We have other models also. Now you will see when the timer comes to the off position, the machine will automatically stop. It has a stop. It is okay, and now we'll pack it for Daraz. This is the carton.